Good afternoon. Again, this is Jennifer Trainer, National Sales Executive with Wolters, Kluwer, Lien Solutions. We're so pleased to be a finalist for consideration of this Innovation Award for our development of the Portfolio Risk Assessment. The development of the Portfolio Risk Assessment tool was really in direct response to a need during uncertain times that COVID created in many financial sectors and with our financial customers. Our customers ultimately wanted to be sure that they had the ability to collect should default rates continue to look grim. And to be clear, when I'm speaking about perfecting a lien as we are in this slide, we're talking specifically about loans secured by a UCC filing. So we focused on these four categories that our secured lenders seem to be the most concerned with. Things like eliminating filing errors, determining their priority lien position, and strengthening operational readiness, especially given the new work from home environment that we were dealing with. But first, we had to uncover these hidden risks. So we did some research. Our research showed that 20% of liens contained a critical error. 16% of debtors have had a change event in the past year, and 32% of liens lapsed annually. And we weren't talking about on purpose. What do these stats have in common? All of these events can and often do result in the loss of lien perfection. And this is what we were trying to solve for our customers. So let's take a look at some specific areas that we were able to tap into to uncover and visually uncover these risk areas. So on the left-hand side of your screen, you're looking at what we call our jurisdiction mismatch chart. So this is where a lender has filed the lien in the incorrect state. Where you see it, the green, 81 or so percent, that means good. They've filed in the correct state. In the purple, that's where you have a risk area where the lender did not file in the correct state. And although 3.3% does not seem like a large amount, when you're talking about the, dependent on the value of that loan and the number of those loans in that portfolio, that could actually be a very high risk exposure. On the right-hand side, we're looking specifically at the debtor name mismatch chart. So this is where the lender filed using a debtor name that didn't match the corporate record. Again, exposing this customer to risk in their liens, their UCC filings not being secured. You'd be surprised at the frequency of these errors that can lead to a lack of lien perfection. And as a result, we assisted many clients over the past year by providing this data, leading to hundreds, and in some cases, thousands of corrections to ensure that their secured loans were actually secured. Another popular area of assessment uncovered the percentage of the portfolio that was not in the first lien position, as this can also compromise the lender's ability to collect. So again, as you can see in the green, this is where the lender is showing in first lien position, and in the purple where they're in second lien position. This chart allowed lenders to quickly assess if this percentage lined up with where they believed their portfolio should have first lien position, and maybe some where they took out seconds, and where they had customers in second lien position. And where it didn't match up, we were able to provide additional details where the customers could then make this actionable and mitigate those specific risks. At Wolters Kluwer Lien Solutions, we took advantage of our innovative technology to compare millions of data records, hundreds of millions. Specifically, we compared the UCC records in all 50 states to the corporate charter records in all states. This resulted in an easy to read chart and graph, pinpointing the risk areas at a high level, basically making it digestible. And rather than our customers having information overload, they were able to clearly see where they needed to take immediate action. Ultimately, this tool has protected our lenders from large potential losses. And in conclusion, we were able to solve for our financial customers' needs during a very trying time, and we continue to provide this service today. Thank you so much for allowing us the opportunity to share this new innovative tool with you today. We sincerely appreciate your time and consideration. Thank you.